Most traders don't actually trade. They gamble while pretending to be disciplined. And the scary part, at first, gambling in the market feels exactly like success. Fast profits, dopamine hits, late-night charts, one lucky trade that makes you feel like a genius, until the market humbles you again and again and again. Because the market has a brutal way of exposing who you really are. Not your strategy, your habits, your emotions, your discipline. And this is the story of how a gambler becomes a trader, or loses everything trying. At the beginning, every trader believes the same lie. If I find the perfect strategy, I'll finally become profitable. So they spend months chasing indicators, RSI, smart money concepts, ICT, price action, supply and demand, AI signals, Telegram groups. Every week, a new system. Every loss, a new excuse. But the real problem was never the strategy. It was the person using it. Because deep down, most beginners don't want consistency. They want escape. Escape from their job. Escape from being broke. Escape from feeling behind in life. And that desperation becomes dangerous. Because desperate traders don't follow plans. They force trades. They overleverage. They revenge trade after losses. And when they win, they suddenly think they've figured it all out. That's the addiction. Not trading. Hope. You know what gambling looks like in trading? Turning a small account into profit, then losing everything the same night. Taking trades without confirmation because you're feeling lucky. Risking 20% on one setup because you need to recover. Checking charts every 3 minutes like your life depends on it. And the worst one? Thinking more trades equals more money. No, more discipline equals more money. But gamblers hate discipline because discipline is boring, and boredom doesn't give dopamine. A disciplined trader thinks differently. A gambler asks, how much can I make from this trade? A disciplined trader asks, how much can I lose? Huge difference, because professionals survive first. Profit comes second. That's why risk management changes everything. Not because it makes trading exciting, because it keeps you alive long enough to improve. The moment a trader starts risking 1% instead of 10%, everything changes. Losses stop feeling like disasters. Emotions calm down, decisions become clearer, and suddenly, trading becomes boring, which is exactly what profitable trading should feel like. Boring, calm, controlled, like a business, not a casino. And here's the truth nobody wants to hear. Most profitable traders don't even trade that much. Sometimes the best trade is no trade. But gamblers can't handle that. Silence makes them uncomfortable. They need action. They need stimulation. So they enter mediocre setups just to feel involved. While disciplined traders wait, patiently, like predators, because they understand something beginners don't. One clean setup is worth more than 50 emotional trades. The transformation also happens outside the charts. A disciplined trader starts sleeping better, thinking longer term, working out, controlling impulses, becoming calmer under pressure, because trading magnifies who you already are. If your life is chaotic, your trading will be chaotic too. That's why trading is never just about money, it's self-mastery. The charts simply expose what needs fixing, and eventually, something strange happens. You stop chasing fast money, you stop needing validation from every trade, you stop screenshotting random wins, you stop trying to look rich online, because now, you understand the real goal: freedom, consistency, control over yourself. That's the evolution, from emotional to calculated, from impulsive to patient, from gambler to disciplined trader. And ironically, that's usually the moment profits finally start coming. Not because you found some secret indicator, but because you stop sabotaging yourself. The market rewards emotional control more than intelligence. Always. So if you feel stuck right now, if you keep blowing accounts, revenge trading, or jumping between strategies, maybe the problem isn't your system. Maybe the real battle was never against the market. Maybe it was against your own impulses. Because most traders chase signals, but the winners, they master themselves. And once you do that, the market starts looking very different.